a brush stuck in curls, a bun that looks like a loofah, and hair covering the floor after a shower. Watch our new video about everyday curly and straight hair problems. Good morning! What a great new day! Oh, what's that? There's hair on my pillow again. That's terrible! But I have an idea. Stay here, my little doll. I'm cleaning today. I swept the floor. I cleaned the table. My plant! I forgot about you. New tablecloth, it's your time to shine. Oh, there is so much dust. I have to get rid of it. Where's the cleaning rag? I can't find it. What do I do? Oh, I know. My curly hair can help. I need something long. This stick, for example. There we go. A perfect replacement for a duster. It nails its job. Look at this funny pick. Hilarious! Oh! What have you done? Now the whole floor is wet. Clean it. Well, I found a bucket. But I can't find a mop. Let's think. I know! Why would you need a mop when you have your long hair? It can finally come in handy. It must be somewhere here. Found it! What are the ingredients? Let's see if that's what I need. A loofah. I need a loofah. This one looks nice. It's pretty soft. I like it. What are you doing? Excuse me, my bad. I wanted to get a loofah. I got mixed up. It's okay. Again? I'll start my daily hair brushing ritual. My favorite brush is always with me. I love brushing my hair. It gets so smooth and silky. That's nice. It's time to brush these tangled curls. Oh no, the comb got stuck. And the other one did too. It's totally stuck. Why is this happening to me? I have to get it out. It broke! This is a disaster! What a cute guy! I have to get his attention. My long hair works every time. Guys love long hair. Wow, what a stunning girl! Hello! Guys love girls with big hair. Who's this lunatic? Hang on, handsome! Leave me alone! There you go! I can finally get rid of those annoying curls! After 2 hours with a flat iron, my unruly hair looks completely different. It's perfectly straight. Awesome! And now I can go to sleep. Do I have to get up already? Today will be a great day! Hi, beautiful! What? Who's that? Yikes! Where did my perfect hairstyle go? How come? My hair is so evil! I'll wash off the rest of the conditioner and my hair will be smooth and shiny. Where's the towel? I forgot! I'm so scatterbrained! I need a towel right now! Okay, all the towels are here! Oh, this one will do! Oh no! My hair made a huge puddle! The floor is wet! I'll have to wipe it with a towel! Time to go to work! I just have to put the Gingerbread Man head on. Done! Come to the gingerbread market. Try the best gingerbread. Cool costume. Your pigtails are so cute. It's not a costume. This is my real hair. How do I put this head on? What's with this stupid costume? My hair gets in the way. Who made you? What am I supposed to do? Oh, I know! I have a head, but it doesn't matter what side it's on. Come to the Gingerbread Fair, only this weekend. Nice costume. Come and try it. Ah! It's him again! Birds are singing, but I can't see a single one. I think I was just hearing things. That sound again! Where's the bird hiding? Phew! I'm finally home! I'm exhausted! What? Bird singing again? But how? Hang on, gotta check my hair. Oh, it can't be! Wow! It's a nest! A real one! And bird eggs! Wow! My hair is full of surprises! BTS released a new music video. I have to listen to it. Music is a great idea. I want to listen to it too. I just need to put headphones on. Or not. Nothing works. The headphones aren't staying up. Goldie, don't worry. I know a way to help you out. Yeah? Interesting. Here, take these speakers. Yay! You just need to put them next to your ears and you can listen to music. And we can tape them to your hair so they'll stay up. Let's fasten them well. Wow! You're a genius! It turned out great! I'll get these cookies. No! These are better! I only have a pack of cookies. Are you paying with a credit card? Yeah, of course. Hang on. I gotta find it. It should be here somewhere. Not this. Not this either. I remember bringing it. I'm sure I did. Where did it go? Of course! I remember. Here you go. I just needed to look for it better. Did she just take a card out of her hair? The things you see at work. Thanks. Have a nice day. What is he doing? Is that really a cashier?
What?
Is there a self-checkout here? I knew there was a treasure in my hair. Money? That's a pretty good start. Not cutting my hair was totally worth it. These drinks are amazing. Cheers!
Wow.
Girls, I have to tell you, your hair is gorgeous. I know what I'm talking about. I used to work at a beauty salon. Thanks for the compliment. It's really nice of you. We gotta go. Can we have our receipt? Sure. Here. Whoa! I didn't expect it to be so expensive. Here's all our money. It's enough to pay the bill, but not enough to tip. I have an idea. Oh man, no tip again? What's this? A strand of hair as a tip? I guess it's time to go back to the beauty salon. Oh no, this is so unfair. Please, don't leave him. He loves you more than life. No, she's gone. Where's my hanky? This is so heartbreaking and sad. Here, wipe your tears. Thanks. Whoa! Why be so dramatic and soak your hair for nothing? Did you like our video? Then comment below if you've had any problems because of your straight or curly hair. Stuck credit cards? Hair instead of tissues? A nest in your hair? Or headphone problems? And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.